everybody. In today's video, I'm going Bigfoot hunting. We're looking for Bigfoot. I don't really know where he'd be, but got this trusty machete in case he wants to show himself. We're going up here. We might find some cool stuff, I don't know. Alright, we're up in this little flat spot. We gotta leave Bigfoot a note or some sort of marker right here. If you don't care, it'd really help out if you liked and subscribed, you know. You ain't got to if you don't want to. As you can tell, it's hard to tell. There's a B, there's an I, there's a G, so that's big. Then there's an F, and then there's an O, there's another O, and then there is a T right there. Alright, he can read it. He's got that extra vision, but I don't know, should I go over toward this way, or should I go over here? I'll probably go over here. And Bigfoot. Hope I don't find a big snake back here. Well, I'll probably get bit anyway. But alright, here's a nice little spot. It's pretty nice. Right over that little hill there is where we filmed part of our last video. Yeah, this is a little spot here I like. But maybe we need to be more quiet. Oh yeah, I don't believe in Bigfoot, but I'm just gonna see if I can find him. Probably gonna set this phone here for a little bit. See if I can capture anything. I'm gonna look over here a little bit, but I'm gonna get right back to it. See if I can pick up anything. Here. I don't know if you guys go a little bit farther back on the channel, it's at nighttime. May know and flip this and there's like bugs under it or something like that, but maybe Bigfoot's hiding under here. Well, I think there's anything under there. Okay, nothing there. I'm just worried about snakes, man. You get bit by snakes easy. Walk over here. I'm gonna try to cut that slim down here. Let's see. I just heard a whistle. I don't think it was a bird. It didn't sound like a bird. No, literally, I ain't lying. I just heard a whistle. Raise my hand to heaven, man. Like I heard a whistle. Wait. Me and Noah took a walk the other day, and that had a whistle. He's whistling, but we never got any whistles back. Dang, I don't know if I picked that up, but I heard a whistle. Go through here now. A can over there. No. Go down toward here. Wait, there's something right here. I think I'm gonna dig this up. Be no shirt. Don't see any Bigfoots. What is this? Hang on. So looks like it's an old camo vest. It's pretty small though. It'd be pretty old. I might have to turn around sometime here. We're gonna look a little bit more down. I'll probably turn around. I'll probably have to end the video there. If you guys want a part 2, let me know. I just don't see nothing. All I think I really heard was that whistle. Well, I'm probably gonna head back. We're seeing a whistle. We seen that, but I done found that can and that thing over there. That vest. Just let me know if you see anything, guys, because I don't see anything. Let me know if you see anything. Well, alright, before I leave, we're gonna give Bigfoot another sign of human activity. Which, if he sees those hustlers down there, he should know, but maybe he don't go out this far. I don't know. We're gonna give him another sign here. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but you should know animals don't do this. Just cut the whole tree down. Minecraft in their life. And I thought I heard another whistle. It seemed more far away, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up when I get home. I reckon I titled this video, I went Bigfoot hunting and I heard strange sounds. Or I went Bigfoot hunting alone, or I don't know. I went Bigfoot hunting vlog. Go through here.